que yo supe que iba a alcanzar todos mis sueños. Era un muchachito insoportable, nunca le he hecho caso a los dueños. Nah, no fue necesario. Yo siempre he sido el líder natural, listo para todo como un general. Soy un maceo, te voy a liberar. Te juro que bien forrado los paquetes van. There's nothing but gas, ya sabe que solo estoy fumando Southside. Some lows and I gotta pass. I'm sending loads and they sending cash, but not in that order. Tengo una mami en LA and she hold on the trap while I slide across the border. Ella una gatita linda, pero como K9 esa tipo es muy fiel. Ese c***o lindo está a otro nivel. Saco de los babies so I know it's real. But we keep it in order. You know I got options and I can tell. No hablamos con cops, we would never tell. If you go against the gang then you riding in hell. Billones de la calle me quito. De la calle me quito, billones de la calle me quito, lo puedes imaginar y lo necesito. Billones de la calle me quito, de la calle me quito, billones de la calle me quito, billones de la calle me quito. Me pongo más rico hasta que la entrega, bicho te rea, ninguna games no sega. Love bam, si por mí le llega, se quita toda la ropa como la de la pega. Exótica como la mari que fumo, prendo el blon y la mente de pez. Soy mezclado como este trago y el humo, medio cubano como una guayabera. Billones de la calle me quito, dame toda la plata como el de Jochito. Tengo el producto así que mámame. Esta p***ita tiene lo que necesito. Échate pa' acá que merezco un besito. Billones de la calle.
Hi, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola. I am a certified personal trainer and I live in the great state of Texas. If you are enjoying this super short workout, I would love to invite you to visit my website, KobokoFitness.com, where you can get daily 30-minute workouts. And on top of that, we now have our own built-in community in the app, which means I can connect with you way more directly and way more personally than I can ever do on these streets, okay? Visit KobokoFitness.com. You will see my child in my workouts because when he sees me doing a workout, he thinks it's time to play. So it is what it is. Mom life. Let's continue.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the game, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Look at my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard the lanes was talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, shows. Smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real black but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. Look at my news, we'll send them. The fam, you a dead man. Jesus peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keeping it real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't trying to be dependent. I need money never ending. I'm talking 100%. I need the only you rent it. Whoa, step in the spot and watch how they panic. Yeah, we the duo, you know we dynamic. When we outside, we be stopping the traffic. Breaking their necks, them they upset. How them boys doing more when they got less? How they on this and how they on that? How they got this and yeah, how they got that? Too busy watching us, they need to stop that. Talking my shit, you know we gon' pop that. See it, I like it, yeah, I'm gon' copy that. When we on top, how you on top that? Nah, you ain't got nothing on us. I'm steady calling your bluff. Pass me the split, need me a puff. You don't want smoke, tell them that's tough. Yeah, yeah. Lights, camera, action.
We got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that mad love. We got that sad love. We got that fun love. We got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that.
Bye.